Hi, this is our take on cellular respiration. We're going to first start here with our eukaryotic cell that has a nucleus, and glucose is being taken in through the cell membrane, crossed as a protein through facilitated diffusion, and is now into the cell. When there's no oxygen available, a process, or the first step, is called glycolysis, which involves no oxygen necessary. Glucose splits into what we call 2-pyruvate molecules that will lead over and go into the mitochondria if oxygen is available. In addition to formation of the pyruvates, a net release from that chemical reaction of 1,2 ATP molecules occurs, as well as the formation of 2 NADH molecules that will stay as products and eventually go over into the mitochondria. Krebs cycle.
The Krebs cycle begins with the pyruvate molecules losing a carbon and going into the mitochondria, and that pyruvate, that pyruvate, after it loses the carbon through carbon dioxide, it goes through the Krebs cycle, which the 2 carbon molecules join with other molecules in the Krebs cycle. And as it goes through the cycle, carbon dioxide is released. Energy is stored as high energy electrons in NADH and FADH2. And then those high energy molecules, NADH and FADH2, they go through the electron transport chain, which is in the inner membrane of the mitochondria, and those NADH give up high energy electrons, and those high energy electrons are used to transport hydrogen ions from one side of the inner membrane to the other. And those electrons continue to give up their energy until they get to the end of the electron transport chain, where they join with oxygen and hydrogen ions to make water. The hydrogen ions then flow through ATP synthase, which then makes a whole bunch of ATP.